Welcome to my channel. How to use an electrical box extender. 1. Turn off power, switch off the main circuit breaker to prevent electrical shocks before starting. 2. Remove the cover plate, use a screwdriver to unscrew and remove the faceplate of the existing electrical box. 3. Loosen the electrical box screws, loosen, but don't remove, the screws securing the existing electrical box to the wall. 4. Choose the right extender, select an electrical box extender that matches the size and depth needed for your installation. 5. Position the extender, slide the box extender over the existing electrical box, ensuring a snug fit. 6. Secure the extender, align the extender properly and use the provided longer screws to attach it to the original electrical box. 7. Check wiring clearance, ensure there's enough space for the wires inside the box extender without pinching or damaging them. 8. Reattach the switch/outlet, carefully reposition the switch or outlet back into the extended box and secure it with screws. 9. Reinstall the cover plate, align and attach the cover plate over the extender using a screwdriver. 10. Restore power test, turn the power back on at the circuit breaker and test the outlet or switch to ensure it's working properly. Thank you for watching.